up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I got something a little different for you. Wanted to show you guys my 1/5 scale Skeeride snowmobile, and I've had these done for a couple years, so I thought it was time to do a feature on them so you guys could have a closer look. Okay, so the green one, the green and black one, was the first one I did, and I did it several years ago. And then after Ken Block had his snowmobile accident, that's when I decided to go in and add his personal number and logo to it to kind of act as a memorial piece to him. It also has Hoonigan up under the rear of the snowmobile. Monster logo to it, all custom done to fit this particular snowmobile. And then I just got his number off of I think it was Thingiverse or something, and printed it out and put it on the side, as well as his DC logo. And then of course you see his skull and crossbone logo with his Ken Block signature. A closer look of the inside. You have your steering servo right there. I mounted my power button right there. It's running a BLX 100 ESC and motor combo. You plug the battery up under the seat, and then just simply clip that back down there. But I decided to run the green lights in this one. It's complete with tail lights as well. Has two shocks under the main track. Has really good suspension travel, and then it has shocks on the front forks. I don't even know that you'd call it forks, but on the front. And I went with a different style for this one, for my all black one. But they work the same, so. There's another look at the front. So yeah, I'm just waiting for some snow, and I'm gonna bust this thing out and see exactly what she'll do, especially with the new one-piece TPU track on it.